Okay, so my noodles are ready, and I poured cold water over them and then strained them, so that way they would stop cooking and they would still stay tender. So now I have my thawed chicken, and I'm just going to cut it. I'm probably only going to cut like just about a piece of it, because it is a small batch, so we don't need that much chicken. Probably only gonna use about this much chicken in it. Now I'm gonna cut that into pieces. Gotta be careful with my fingers. Okay, so this is only a small amount of chicken, but you know, we have a small amount of pasta, and I'm not about to waste all this good chicken that I could be using in some real fettuccine that I can make on a real stove with, you know, a real pot and a real heat system, which is basically the stove. But now I'm going to take some salt and a little bit of pepper. I'm gonna mix those just a little bit, because you know, if we're gonna make this in the microwave, we want this to be some delicious fettuccine, because I'm gonna end up trying this at the end. So stay tuned for the end. So it's pretty seasoned. So now I'm gonna take this, put it in a bowl, and then I'm gonna microwave this for 2 minutes maybe, and then once they're cooked, we can, you know, make the sauce and put it all together. So see you then.